we go. What's up, y'all? I'm recording. It's a beautiful Saturday. Down on PCH here. Going for a little PCH cruise. Hoping to take PCH all the way up through Dana Point. Let's take a highway. And I want to see what kind of badass rides I can see. I've already seen a whole bunch, but I probably should have had the camera on already. But you know what? That's okay. Oh, and I'm in a no U-turn. That sucks. I guess I'm going all the way around. Dude, that mother big U-turn. You know what? I'll come out over back this way. Keep steep. Hoping if I get it, piss off too many people back there going through this little alleyway. Man, you know what? I'll follow this dude. I'm gonna hook it right here. Let's do that. Oh, it's the cutest little beach house. Julio over there. That's all. Shiba Inu. I hope you guys. The Shiba Inu coins. Bought a whole bunch of those damn things. I hope y'all are worth something soon. Let's see what kind of rides I can spot. Big Mustang. Alright. See a lot of hot rods today. A lot of exotics. You know. Some good stuff. A lot of people honking their Trump flags everywhere. And, well, I'm okay with that. Oh, hell no. Ooh, Carmen Gia, baby. That was nice. Just gonna go straight through here. Like say, fellas, yeah. See what other nice fancy rides I can see. Car spotting and bike spotting, but I'm always bike spotting. My wife tells me I have motorcycle Tourette. I'll hear something feel like, Santa Golly, R1, Ninja 300, and I do. I embrace the motorcycle Tourette. You're just in a zigzag, aren't you? Alright, let's not do that, buddy. Thank you for stopping your big go. That's what's not good for anybody. Oh, there's a lot of hot rods and Ferrari, that old Chevy. That's a cool car stuff. Yay. A lot of people trying to get to the dog beach today. I spy with my little eyes an orange Porsche. I want to see it. I shall see it. Woo, that is pretty. Watch where you're going. Hot rod from your foot. You can dumping food up the side of their car. Of course, van lifers galore everywhere. Water's looking beautiful turquoise. Didn't get that one, but I heard it. It sounded very pretty. Ooh! Nice truck. Well, I said there were a lot of Trump flags out today, and it wasn't making me mad. I guess clearly everybody knows which side I fall on. Alright, I'm mad. It's all good. That being said, I don't judge anybody for any side that they fall on. I know which side I'm going for, and everybody is entitled to pick what side they're going for. Come on, man. Another red.
Nice bike, brother.
Thank you.
Nice bike, man.
Thank you. Oh boy. Hope hoes are out in force. We ride safe. Few things will make a biker's day more than just a compliment on his bike. Oh, 2 in a row, man. I try to put a lot of effort to keeping this baby clean, so it's always helps to, get it noticed. Always a bit Christmas here. Split with care. I was gonna hang out behind this fella then. Till I can go around safely. Supermoto, nice. Oh man, you're gonna block my route. Why you gotta be like that? Ooh, the Ranger looks pretty good all stood up. Not too shabby. Beautiful fog followed by a lamp. Lots of beautiful cars today. So many. Walking my route, hanging get out of the way. Yeah, a little, well, not a shortcut, more scenic, but it will skip a lot of the boring traffic splitting, and I like the route because then I'll get a chance to ride along cliffs by the Typo area of Coronado. It's a slower cruise for sure because it's residential. Am I even recording still? Yes, I am. Fantastic. There's a Ferrari over there. It's probably too far for camera to see, but it is quite pretty. That stereotypical Ferrari red. Very, very pretty. I'll take one of them too. Why not? Scenic route. People did solar right up here. They didn't on their entire hillside up there. Super smart. They got rid of all the foliage on the hillside, which was pretty, but it's a very clean way to do your solar and then have the plants growing around it. And it's good. That's all unusable real estate for them, so why the heck not, right? Then they don't have to worry about compromising the roof or nothing. What a smart. So it's a good thing I like solar. It's really cool. I'm a nerd. Just riding all calm, RPM below 4, not riding like a hooligan, what people prefer. I wasn't exotic, but it was a WRX in my favorite color. That's a more attainable car. Look at this house. Crazy. Like that one. Triple garage, big wooden doors, semi-modern. These are all pretty cool properties. There's a lot of money right here. My God, it's so much money. Holy crap. Okay, instead of splitting lanes, isn't this a much nicer cruise route? And there's the coast. It's so pretty today. Can't see Catalina across the water today, which is weird. They must have a fog bank midway between sitting outside in the sun, staring at the ocean. Pretty cool. Name it. I like this house on the corner. It's like one. It's under construction clearly, but it's a sweet house now. With the balcony wrapping around. The view. Goodness. Not big enough. It's a rough life. They're not funny. Good thing I was paying attention. It's out of here. It's gorgeous. There's more big money. These people got the best views, arguably in California. Some of these houses are super cool too. You probably can't see the detail to them as I'm riding by. I probably don't want to hear my loud bike riding by either, but it's all good. I'm sure they've got freaking triple pane windows that can drown the sound of me out. I think he had a happier beard than she was. That was funny. Well, somebody's got a new build going in. Oh, monkey. Looks like they're building a Target. Oh, walk over the street. Why not? It's a much nicer way to get through that stretch of traffic. I'm still gonna have traffic, but it's not gonna be. Let's skip that stretch. Cruise the coast, second view. Oh my God, that guy has skin tone shorts on. I thought he was walking naked. Oh, good. It's green. Hooray! Oh, look at that vet. Woo, that was sexy. That's my favorite body style for the Corvette, too. All right. Shooter. That's a real full spot to keep rough shape. Because you never get in there. But GT3, there you go. Sounding good, dude. That Tusk. I like the white wheel. Those are sick. Look at that. That is so welcoming. Absolutely done. Beautiful. pretty blue vet. I hear that Porsche behind me, dropping his gear, and stomping on it, and then slowing down because it can't get through. And he dropping the gear, stomping on it, and then slowing down because it can't get through. Downside to the high-end sports car, man. No lane split, no fit. Oh, excuse me, that's right, like the coming through. Thank you, Mercedes, you're so kind. They go into stealth mode. It's like quiet town. They don't like loud motorcycles or cars. Man, I hope my camera battery didn't die yet. I'm gonna need to check that the next ride. Still recording. Ooh, look at that old Porsche. That is awesome. I'm just gonna freak through here. Don't mind me. Walking down by the beach. What are your windows rolling up for? Beautiful weather out there. I'm saying that and I'm hit jacket. This is a traffic event that's unavoidable. Oh, very nice. Thank you so much. You're so kind. Your karma. If you just couldn't be bothered to wait. That's alright. I mean, at this point, we're all stopped. What's the point? So, on the third, wait. I have to stop at Dana Point and switch the battery and make sure I don't run out. But there's a lot of pretty cars out today. With that carbon fiber wing on that Beamer looking cheap. Hey, this piston's got solar panels on the top of it. That's rad. Range extender kit. A neat looking car. That guy's got full stealth mode. Stop it off. You're not screaming, look at me, like my bike is. No, 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 no. What are you doing? Why do you do that? Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Sure amazing. You're a gentleman of the star. Ooh, man, it's getting tight. Ooh, thank you, thank you. And then go with the fifth of the whip. Oh, man, suck it in. Not factory friendly. Ooh, look at that AMG. Nice. Guilty, come here, girl. Don't pinch me. Meep, meep. Ooh, I see a Ferrari. Oh, he's turning away. It's so pretty. Didn't need me for beach truck. He was totally threw off my groove, man. I found Mr. Splits. Oh, good. I get to go by one of those cyber trucks I love. Giving us all a bad name. He's a nice, I like you. It looks like he made a wrong turn almost. He's turning around like, what am I doing here? How'd I get here? Beautiful. Another Ferrari. Keep them coming, man. Could be anything. I will take a mushroom twist burger, please, with Cajun fries. Muy delicioso. Oh, got the buzz. I can find a place to pull over. If I can check the camera. I still got a fair bit of riding ahead of me. Going all the way through Dana Point, turning here for a quick pit stop. This is a special beach. It's quite crowded right now, but this is where my wife and I took our motorcycle parking. How convenient. I love those motorcycle parking. Oh. So this is a super special beach. Because right over to the left there, you go hiking on some rocks, and my wife and I took our engagement photos out here. So, super cool. It is packed, but it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, check the GoPro battery to be continued. I'm back. I'm recording. Here we go. Weird. I just took off my helmet and everything. And I'm going to change the camera batteries. Good thing I changed it. It was at 5%. It was about to die, but I got some good recording. All these emergency vehicles, there's another one coming. Fire trucks and all this started rolling in, so something happened. Somebody's having a rough day. So I don't know who. I don't need to know, because I don't need to put my nose in other people's business. But I definitely hope the day gets better. That really sucks. I hope everybody's alright. Alright, yeah, the parking lot, shall we? That's just you because you're looking for parking. I'm not. I just want out. I want to go continue my ride. I got new batteries, good to go. I never trust those damn spiky things. I always feel like it's going to be my luck one day. The damn thing ain't going to go down on the beach. And it's all the, be careful with sand all around here. So, visiting you by race car. Yeah, nice deep push. Here's that Beamer I passed in Laguna. Yeah, traffic, buddy. I thought that red one was another Porsche. That's an MX-5 Miata. The new one's pretty sick looking. I like it. Driven the older ones. Haven't driven the new one. Wouldn't mind. Got a lot more power than the older one. So that's a fun little whip. Like a dang go-kart. That fairly new. That wasn't the newest body style. There's a new body style there. Two ladies on the bike. You go, girls. Ah, come on. Dude did not have enough time to cross it. He knew that, so he deserved the rev. I saw a Bronco Raptor the other day, and they're pretty sweet. However, they had the fenders painted to match the body, and it looked terrible. They looked way better with the unpainted fenders. Oh, it's the Ciron kids. Go, go, go. Let me guess, we're going to throw wheelies in the streets. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yep, there it is. All right, let's hit the freeway. Let's take the highway. Go up over the mountain, baby. Thought that lady was going to come over. I guess not. Didn't seem to figure out where she wanted to be. Man, the freeway is packed. I can't even do a merge pull. I love doing the merge pull. It's so fun. No mamma jamma, too much traffic jamma. Nothing here, with me, check the mirrors, nobody coming, here we go. Slitty slitty, don't screw up or it'd be shitty. I don't want to go for another slitty slitty. Gotta get from there. Everybody's got an e-bike. There's e-bikes everywhere. That being said, I mean, I have time to fold an e-bike, we have damn, whatever, it is what it is. What's funny though, and I love irony. It's not really irony, it's just things have changed. So remember when the bike racks used to be something you could just strap to your trunk and you just throw a couple bikes on it and it would be fine, nothing bad would happen. Now the bicycles are so big, bulky, and heavy. They're the same size or bigger than motorcycles. And you need an actual trailer hitch to have a properly rated hitch to carry these things. They're huge. I feel like the days of just throwing your bike in on a little trunk mounted thing and leaving it in the back of his car are gone because these freaking e-bikes are I don't know, over 100. Da 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 da. Gonna start her take a highway. Woo! Old MX-5. That's a mini Miata. That Highlander is on my butt for too long. So now I'm gonna split and I'm gonna get in front of you again. The weather got warmer here already, man. Fairly comfortable though, not too bad. See if I'm saying the same thing when I get over the mountain by home, and it's gonna be, actually it's only gonna be like 82. That's not too bad. That's not bad at all. 82 with like 15% humidity versus borderline 80 by the beach, or high 70s with like 80% humidity.